Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you make TikTok 2 application. You can use your mobile phone to make this application. I'm going to share with you easy method to make this application. You need to watch this full video without skipping. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. First of all, you can go on deepseek platform and you can type here this kind of prompt. This platform will generate HTML code for game application. You can click here to copy this HTML code. Now you can go on Google and you can search your app creator 24. You can click here to open this URL. Here you can see you can use this platform to make your app for Android phones and tablets. You can click on sign up button. You can type here your name, you can select here your country, you can type here your email address, you can type here your password, and you can accept your terms of service, and at last you can click on send button. After creating account on this platform, you can click on create app button. You can type your app name, you can select your app icon. You can select here any of this app icon. Now you can select your language. You can type your app description and at last you can click on next button. You can click on this plus icon, click on menu type button. You can select your this option. You can click on save button. Now you can click on sections button. You can click on create section button. You can select your HTML option. You can select here this option, click on next button. You can type your section title. Now you can paste here that HTML code. You can visit on deepseek platform and you can click here to copy this HTML code. You can go on app creator 24 platform and you can paste here that HTML code and at last you can click on save button. Now in next step you can click on download app button. You can click here to download this application in APK format or you can scan this code to download this application. You can run this application in your Android device. As you can see, this application is looking great. You can also make this kind of application. You can publish this application on app stores like Google Play Store, Amazon App Store, Vivo App Store, Samsung Galaxy App Store, itch.io game website, Game Jolt, and many more. If you want to learn more about game development, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.